Hi my gardening angels, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I am Jess, and today we're going to be making a really fun little succulent arrangement, and this will be perfect for spring. Honestly, I probably should have tried to do it before Easter, but now's as good as time as any. We still have a lot of spring left. So I have a little concrete bowl. This is a pretty shallow planter that I bought off of Amazon. I'll include a link down below. And then I have this cute little watering can that I'm going to try to incorporate into this planter. I believe I bought this at Hobby Lobby. It was probably like $2, not even. And then I have this entire tray full of really beautiful succulents. Some of these are a little bit big, so I don't know if I will use them, but we will try. So first thing is that I have a pretty large drainage hole, and I'm going to be using this as an indoor planter, and it's probably going to be sitting on my table. So I'm just going to take a coffee filter and lay this in the bottom, just so that none of the dirt gets in through the drainage hole. It'll still be able to drain. I just don't want to make a mess. And then I also have some really fun top dressings, and if you watched my previous video, I unboxed a bunch of succulents and top dressings, these little rocks, and you know, I think these are going to be really great in these types of arrangements. So I'm really excited to kind of use these as really nice contrast. I have a white, black, and a sandstone color. So we'll kind of see how we're feeling with this one. But I just wanted to jump right in and do a fun little spring project with you guys. So let me show you a close-up, and then we can kind of talk about it in a second. All right, so this is the final product. I am really thrilled with how it turned out. I think these succulents had very vibrant colors. I got all of these succulents from The Next Gardener, and I got the top dressings as well. So I will include links down below to their page. Subscribe to our channel if you haven't already, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.